Question 2 from the CSEC Mathematics January 2024 paper. Now, as a reminder, make sure so you practice the question them, do the question them before you watch the video them. And you must practice regular, especially as it get nearer and nearer to exam, right? You have no time for waste. You can't spend the whole day a play around. You have to be serious and practice the question them. Make sure you understand the concept and so on and so forth. If you don't understand certain things, put in a comment section and so on. Right? After when you come from school, no playing around. You can relax a little bit, yes. But make sure you take up your book. After you come from school, go bathroom, take soap and water, wash off no dirty kin, and yam bickle for no dinner. After that, practice the question them, watch the video them, and make sure so you understand the maths, right? Now, with our question 2, so we must simplify this thing here. Let me copy it and put it over here, so you're going to simplify it. What more you do? I simplify this thing, and then you pause the video and simplify it, and then you watch and see what I do. Alright, so yes or no? Simplify. Now you see right hand there, so you must know the kind of expression this, Who can tell me what kind of expression this? How you go and deal with it? This is something you can factorize, right? This is something what they call the difference of two squares. The minus are the difference. Alright? This are x squared. That's one of the square them, And this are sitting there square. What square figure that? Now 7. So are the difference of two squares. So that is what happened. Now you can use the normal AC method with factorization and factorize it, but you have a shortcut method you can do. Remember the shortcut method now when you factorize difference of two squares, right? I'm going to write here, so factorizing x squared minus 49. You see, when you write your steps them, you must write them clear. Write it so that somebody can look on your exam paper and study the maths. No, just write it chaka so. And the examiner if you try to see which question he might answer so, and which part of the question. Right? And they're all over the place in no order. Make sure you properly label what you do. Factorizing x squared minus 49. So in the left hand side of each bracket, you have whatever you square figure to on the left. You have to square x figure x squared. So you put x on the left, x on the left. Whatever you square, you go and be whatever you square figure to on the right, you go and be in the right hand side. But remember saying you see x squared minus 49 are the same thing as x squared minus 7 squared. So you're going to put 7 in the corner here so. So you put 7 here so and 7 here so. And then one bracket have a plus and one have a minus. If you multiply them out and see if I really x squared minus 49 you give you can do it. But that's how you go. So now factor out the x up at the top. You have x outside of the bracket. X time whatever you put here, so give you x squared. What are you going to put there? Now x plus x time where you put here, so give you 7x. It must be 7. So x plus 7 over. And then you have x plus 7, x minus 7. What you see happening here, so now? The x plus 7 cancel the x plus 7, you know? Because you can't have this. You can write it as x plus 7 over x plus 7 times x over x minus 7. Same thing. Then cancel. X plus 7 over x plus 7 are 1. So the only thing you have left are x over x minus 7. So the answer, when you simplify it, you have x over x minus 7. You see that? Alright. In a part B, then you say, 2 marks for you up here, so. How much marks for down here, so now? Part B. 1 mark. Let me see what they say here, so. Find the value of R. Alright, let me put you over here, so. Let me erase some of them things here. What me have here, so. Erase this and that and the other. Alright. So, then you say, find the value of r when x squared plus x to the 6 equal x to the r. Alright. You have to remember your indices. Now, x to the power 2 times x to the power 6 equal x to the power r. Remember, you know, if you have x squared times x cubed are the same thing as x by x, that are x squared, you know, times x times x times x, that are 3 more. So if you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would be x to the 5. You see that? So are the same thing as x to the 2 plus 3 equal x to the 5. You're going to use the same principle up here, so. So you're going to say x to the 2 plus 6 equal x to the r. You see it? Because x to the 2 means 2x multiply one another, and x to the 6 means 6x multiply one another. So if you have 2x multiply one another, and then they multiply 6x multiply one another, how much x you going to have? Not 8. So 6 and 2, 8. So at 8x going to multiply one another. So what you have is x to the 8 equal x to the r. So r must be what? My r, let me rewrite my r here, so. So r equal 8. You see, r would equal to 8. Alright. So the next part I say, you must find x when x to the 3 equal 8. So I have to go copy this thing here and put your wire so to paste. Alright. So you're going to find s. Now again, you have to remember your indices. Something raised to the power 3 equal 8. Well, that's something there again. You remember? When you say s raised to the 3, you know, s times s times s. Oh God. A 3s multiply one another. If I did raise to the 4, you'd have 1x, and so on and so forth. But 3s line up and multiply one another give you 8. Now you have a certain number. When you line them up and multiply one another, 3 of them, give you 8. Wonder which number that. Again, let me try. Suppose a 1. 1 times 1 times 1 equal 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I know 8. Suppose you try 3. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 and 9. 9 3s, that are 27. And a 1 or 3. Oh, alright. Make we try 2. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 2s, 4 4 2s. 8. Okay. So, almost 2. Right? Now, we find say that number are 2. But another way you can think about it is say you have s to the 3. How you go from s to the 3 to the power 3 to s. And the same thing as if you say 3 square equal 9. When you go from 3 square to 3, you have to do something to 3 square to get 3. In other words, you have to do something to 9 to get 3. You have to find the square root. So the square root of 3 square equal 3. Now in this case, you have s to the power 3, s cube, and you want s. So you're going to have to find the cube root of s cube. The cube root of s cube give you s. Alright. So it's s then, so you want. So if you find the cube root of s cube, you get s. So the cube root of s cube equal, if your cube, remember, you know, let me write back here. So if you say s cube equal 8, now the cube root of s cube go and give you s. So that means kind of look like 5. Go and give you s. So if you cube root the left hand side of the equation, you have to cube root the right hand side too. The cube root of 8 now. The cube root of 8 is a certain number. If you cube the number, you get 8. If you line up 3 of the number and multiply the one another, you get 8. Which number that's again? Oh, you remember? You hope you saw. A 2. So s equal 2. Alright? So here, so 2 cube give you 8. Because 2 by 2 by 2 give you 8. You can try it if you want and see. Alright, let me see what else I go on here. So no, part C. Okay. Alright, we're going to do part C one next time.